Hi, this screencast will show you how to have a workaround for a message that you may have in your Google Drive. So if you're in your Drive or on a web page and you're using the Chrome browser and you want to print that file and save it to your Drive as a PDF, you may see a message telling you that the feature is not supported anymore. So if I click on File in my Google slide deck and I go down to Print, many people were selecting Save to Google Drive, which would actually take the resource and save it to your Drive. But this feature is going away after December. So a workaround to this is to select Save as PDF and click Save, and it will take that resource and it'll download it to your folder on your local computer. And I'm going to name it, and then I'm going to click Save. And that resource is now downloaded to my local device. At this point here, if you have FileStream installed, it will sync your file to your Google Drive. But if you don't, you have to go into Google Drive and you click New, File Upload, and you go into the Downloads folder on your device and you find that file, click on it and hit Open. And now that file is going to be uploaded into Drive. And you can see it's right here. So if you're using FileStream, then you don't have to do that because it should sync it. But if you don't have FileStream installed, then you have to do that extra step. All right, I hope you found this screencast helpful.